Hari Om. Jai Shri Radhe Krishna. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, chapter number 3, shloka number 35. Shreyan swadharmo vigunaha paradharmat swanushtitat swadharme nidhanam shreyaha paradharmo bhayavahaka. Supreme Lord Shri Krishna says, better is one's own duty, though imperfectly performed, than the duty of another well performed. Better is death in one's own duty, the duty of another is fraught with fear. Although the word dharma is meant here as duty, in a special sense, it is one's own basic nature or vasana. Swadharma is the type of vasanas one finds in his mind. To act according to one's taste, inborn and natural, is the only method to live in peace and joy. To act against one's vasanas is to act in terms of paradharma, which is fraught with danger. In the previous shloka, Sri Krishna had said that we should not let our likes and dislikes, that is our nature, to take us away from our goal. Now he says one should not imitate another who has better vasanas. He says, better die in your own path than attempt the path of another. This is my path and I am down here and you are way up there and I am always tempted to give up my path thinking I will go there and be with you. And if I go up, I am neither there nor here. We must not lose sight of this doctrine. Here the Swadharma of Arjuna is that of a prince, a Kshatriya, and not that of a Brahmana. Arjuna was born a prince with a dynamic spirit of activity springing from his Rajoguna. If he chooses now to assume a Brahmana's duty of quiet and peaceful life, of universal love, simple living, deep study, and long meditations, Arjuna will be creating new vasanas in himself without exhausting his old ones. These old vasanas will wait for an opportunity to explode into expression. This is because each one is born with vasanas and so born in certain circumstances and environments. So Sri Krishna advises here that an intelligent man must selflessly live out his vasanas with which he is born rather than imitate the vasanas of the world around him. Your own dharma, swadharma, consists of your deeper urges and tendencies ordered by your vasanas, while your character, swabhava, is the way you express yourself as an individual. The implication is that Arjuna's thought of desisting from fight and going in for the calm and peaceful life of a Brahmana is prompted by man's natural desire to shun what is disagreeable and adopt what is momentarily agreeable to the senses. He should on no account yield to such weakness. Hence, Sri Krishna says, it is much better for a person to die while discharging his own duty, Swadharma, though it may not have any merit than doing the duty of another, paradharma, though it may be performed in a perfect manner, because the duty of another has many pitfalls. Hari Om. Jai Shri Radhe Krishna.